Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jake Rotunno from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales, and today we are on a very special and unique boat brought to you by Southport and Volvo Penta. Today we are standing on a 2023 Southport 30 FE powered by a Volvo Penta D6 DPI diesel. So what makes this Southport so special and so unique is its power plant. Under the hood, so to speak, of this Southport 30 FE, we have the Volvo Penta D6 440 horsepower single inboard diesel. What that's going to do for you is give you extended range, ease of maintenance, as well as longevity. These engines are just getting broken in at 1,000 hours. Another key feature and benefit of having an inboard diesel Volvo Penta on a boat like this is this huge swim platform and no engines in your way for either fishing, swimming, easy boarding if you're using this as a tender. Huge space to use. On the Southport 30 FE, you have some key features. In the transom, you have this large drink cooler or fish box. And on the port side, you have a live well. Moving forward, you have this beautiful rear-facing mez seat with storage underneath it that moves on forward into these huge captain chairs with your joystick right at your fingertips. It's extremely comfortable and easy to be on the boat all day. Up here at the helm, you have the Volvo Penta glass Garmin system, which is going to give you two large twin Garmin screens. That's going to give you all the data you need. This is one of the few products out there on the market that has a single engine joystick feature. This joystick feature on the Volvo Penta incorporates a bow thruster to give you joystick docking as well as joystick driving. And we're going to take a look at that here shortly. Down below, you have your full head with sync and all access to your switching and fuse panel and electrical. Moving forward on the Southport, you have this beautiful full-size windshield with windshield wiper that you are never going to need on this boat because it just doesn't get wet. Right in the front of that, you have this forward bench seat here. Up front, port and starboard bench seats with plenty of storage underneath it, as well as a bow filler and table for dining, hanging out, and just having a great day out on the water. All right, let's get underway and show you what this Volvo Penta powered Southport can do. Once again, my name is Jake Rotunno from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. Thank you for taking a tour of the Southport 30 FE Volvo Penta D6 DPI.